looking at here is another potential setup or trading strategy, and this is a daily chart of a stock that we're looking at here. So you can see over the last couple of months it's moved very solidly, almost doubling in price from $2 to close to $4. And what I'm suggesting here with this simple strategy, and it's not something I regularly do, but I'm actually looking to trade the short side here and trade short here. Now, of course, you could ask why I would want to do that, considering the good solid medium-term uptrend that this stock has found itself in, almost doubling in price over the last 2 months. But what I'll do is I'll actually just zoom out, and we'll just put all of this into perspective of where this stock has been over the past. And if I just draw this line through here, we can clearly see that this stock has done this before, where it's moved very, very strongly down, move back up again, not so high, move strongly down again, move back up again, and potentially what we're seeing now is that again not moving up as high. And what I'm really looking for in this sort of trade to go short here is another movement down, clearly down through here, similar to what we've seen on previous legs. Now, clearly this is certainly moving against the medium-term trend, and it would be considered perhaps a more aggressive trade, but you can clearly see there is downside potential there, that based on what it's done over the last 18 to 24 months or so, you can clearly see that there is some potential for it to, certainly if it did break down through perhaps a key level here around the 350 mark, we can see that it has just recently traded below that, but certainly didn't close below that. So if we saw a close down below that key sort of round number at 350, you would certainly be inclined to trade short this and hopefully see some certainly a lot of downside potential there. Ideally, we'd want to break through, as we've done previously through here. We've broken through the previous troughs very clearly, and therefore the potential really is for this to actually move down below $2, therefore giving us really a significant potential return in this trade. As I said, it is certainly against the medium-term trend. It's would be considered a slightly more aggressive approach, but you can clearly see there is potential in this trade, despite what we may have seen over the medium term over the last couple of months, moving it quite solidly. We are trading against that, but when we consider the bigger picture, we are really certainly considering the longer-term trend and seeing a lot of downside potential there. Again, just something I wouldn't tend to do on a regular basis, but it is a simple trading strategy. It is a great setup, and certainly there is a potential return there on the short side.